Good morning, students. Today I'm going to take English class for class 1, and today I'm going to start lesson 2. Lesson 2. Little boy blue. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep are in the field, eating the corn. Where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He is on a haystack, fast asleep. Will you wake him? No, not I. For if I do, he is sure to cry. So this is a beautiful poem. Now I will explain stanza by stanza by stanza. Okay, first stanza. We saw the little boy blue. The little boy blue, ये एक छोटा सा लड़का है, वो भेड़ा चराता है. He come blow your horn. The sheep are in the field eating the corn. Field. The boy, he brought his sheep. He used to look after the sheep. भेड़ा को देखता है. तो sheep जो फील्ड में है और वो लोग भुट्टा खा रहा है. The sheep are eating the corn. Corn means भुट्टा. Where is the boy? Malik, the owner of the field. खेती का मालिक पूछा. Where is the boy who looks after the sheep? कौन देखता है भेड़ा को? ये खेती मालिक जो पूछा. Where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He is on a haystack. Haystack means plenty of hair putting together is called haystack. बहुत सारा एक जगह पोरा रखता है, उसको बोलता है haystack. This is, you can see these are called haystack. Okay, this is are called haystack. He is on a haystack, fast asleep. सो गया. और भेड़ा इस तरफ फील्ड में है, क्या खा रहा है? भुट्टा खा रहा है. मालिक पूछ रहा है, where is the boy who is looking after the sheep? और भेड़ा जो बोला, he is on the haystack, fast asleep. You can see the boy is sleeping peacefully and the sheep is eating the corn, and Malik is shouting, where is the boy? No? Now the third stanza, will you wake him? मैनेजर पूछा एक भेड़ा को. नो भेड़ा जो जवाब दिया, no, not I cannot wake up. हम उठा नहीं सकता है. For if I do, he is sure to cry. अगर हम उठा दिया तो वो सच में रो देगा. तो हम उसको उठा नहीं सकेगा. So this is a beautiful poem, Little Boy Blue. The name of the boy is Blue, and he is looking after the sheep, and the sheep are in the field eating the corn, and the manager is angry with the sheep and shouting, where is the boy who looks after the sheep? Then the boy is on the haystack, sleeping peacefully. Then the manager asks to one of the little sheep, Will you waking up? क्या तुम उठा सकते हो? Then the sheep replied, No, I cannot. I cannot wake him up. For अगर हम उठा दिया तो वो रो देगा. So if I wake him up, if I do or if I wake him up, he will cry. So I cannot wake him up. So this is a beautiful poem, and read the poem again and again. Learn it for yourself, and it will be helpful for you in your life as you go with your career, and learn it by heart. So thank you, and we shall meet you in the next class.